Sfinger, a typical Sicilian dessert. Sfinger pastries, a typical dessert from Sicily. Sfinger pastries, also known as sfincai, are a traditional Sicilian dessert that has been enjoyed for generations. This delicious pastry is made from a light and fluffy dough that is fried until golden brown and then dusted with powdered sugar. Sfinger pastries are typically served as a dessert, but they can also be enjoyed as a breakfast pastry or even as a snack. The origins of Sfinger pastries are somewhat unclear, but it is believed that they were first created in the city of Palermo, which is located on the northern coast of Sicily. Sfinger pastries have since become a popular dessert throughout Sicily and can be found in bakeries and cafes all over the island. The dough for Sfinger pastries is made from a combination of flour, yeast, sugar, and water. The dough is left to rise for several hours until it has doubled in size. Once the dough has risen, it is rolled into small balls and then fried in hot oil until it is golden brown. The pastries are then removed from the oil and allowed to cool before being dusted with powdered sugar. Sfinger pastries can be enjoyed on their own, but they are often served with a variety of toppings and fillings. Some popular toppings include chocolate, whipped cream, and fresh fruit. Sfinger pastries can also be filled with sweetened ricotta cheese or pastry cream. One of the best places to try Sfinger pastries in Sicily is at a local bakery or cafe. These small establishments often have their own unique recipes and variations of the classic Sfinger pastry. For a truly authentic experience, try visiting a local street market where you can find vendors selling hot, freshly fried Sfinger pastries. In conclusion, Sfinger pastries are a delicious and unique dessert that is synonymous with Sicilian cuisine. Whether enjoyed on their own or with a variety of toppings and fillings, Sfinger pastries are sure to delight anyone with a sweet tooth. So if you ever find yourself in Sicily, be sure to try this traditional and delicious pastry. Certainly. Sfinger pastries are not only a popular dessert in Sicily, but they are also a staple of Sicilian culture and tradition. They are often served at weddings and other special occasions, and many families have their own unique recipes that have been passed down through generations. One interesting variation of the Sfinger pastry is the savory version, which is sometimes filled with ingredients such as anchovies, olives, or capers. This version is typically served as an appetizer or snack, rather than a dessert. In addition to being a delicious treat, Sfinger pastries also have a cultural significance in Sicily. They are often associated with the festival of Saint Joseph, which is celebrated on March 19th. During this festival, Sfinger pastries are typically served as a symbol of good luck and prosperity.